You ever heard of a chicken cupcake? Well, I'm going to show you how to make one. And it is the most tender and flavorful piece of chicken you'll ever make. And you'll be the hit at any party you go to. Let's do it. Take our chickens that are already folded, place them in like so. It's almost like a chicken cupcake. Our chicken's coming in at about 175. Oh yeah, good. Aroma, amazing. They look like chicken muffins. There we go. Little chicken muffins. Add a little blueberry to it. It'd be perfect. Paint each one of these. I'm telling you, if you were doing this for a party or whatever, these are going to be the hit because they're cool. They look cool. The flavor, the aroma, it's just all right there. You paint these with your favorite barbecue sauce. Don't be shy. Make them look good. Make it so people want to come to your table at that gathering and eat away. Awesome. Look at that. Time to give this a try. Look inside. Looks great. Just looks amazing inside. There's no pink whatsoever. I think it's time to give it a try. I want to tell you what hits me right away, and that is the flavor. Get a little bit of spice from that Uncle Steve's Competition bird shake. I'm telling you, the flavor, the tenderness, the texture, absolutely amazing. Winner chicken dinner for sure. So tender. I'm telling you, make these chicken cupcakes for your friends and it's gonna be a hit. I'll see you on the next episode. Later.